Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab One, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let's tap, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the option which is called Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's tap on it. As you can see, your device will immediately show you the graph, which will show you for how long you've been using this device today. In my case, it is 47 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings than the camera. Under it, we've got the unlocks and notifications count. So if you wish to check some further details, you can simply tap inside the graph, and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, tap on them. You can also change the screen time to notifications or times opened, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using. Moreover, you can either tap on the app right here or in this graph, for example the settings, and again you will have the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Under it we've got also ways to disconnect. I will not discuss all of them, but I'd like to focus on maybe two. So first of all, app timers, which are really useful, especially if you're using the app for too long during one day. You can check it on the dashboard obviously. After tapping on the app timers, let's find the app on which you're spending too much time. So let me pick the camera, for example. Let's simply tap on this hourglass icon, and now you can set the timer. So for example, if I will set it for 0 hours and 30 minutes, it means that I can use it for only half an hour during a day. The timer will be reset at midnight, so the other day, the next day, you will be able to use it for again half an hour, which is quite nice. Of course, you can also set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes. Tap on OK, and it will be blocked. As you can see, it is grayed out. You can see it right here also, and after tapping, at least trying to enter it, you will have this information that the camera timer is run out and it will start again tomorrow. So obviously it is not really the most powerful locker. However, it will simply stop you and allow you to think if you really need to open this app or not. Let me quickly remove this timer. And the second thing, which I recommend to try to use at least, is the focus mode. So basically, if you need to time to focus or study or spend time with your family or work or simply rest without any kind of disturbance, you can select distracting apps here, so those from which you're receiving the most notifications. So again, let me pick the camera and maybe Chrome. Obviously, usually here we'll have social media, etc. Here we have to set a schedule. We can choose the start and the end time and specific days of the week. Simply by tapping, you can select them or turn them off, and tap on set. And during the time you set and during those days, your device will simply hide the notifications from those distracting apps, which is, as you can see, quite a nice option to be able to rest a little bit from the digital world. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.